Today is November 14, 2013, on Thursday, 5:37 p.m. Pacific Time. And up next, a report by Adonai of the Watchers.AdoreEli.com, dated on November 14, 2013. We have another eruption of a volcano, and this time it is Kliuchevskoi. It sends a plume of ash 4 kilometers into the air. A giant steam ring was produced by an explosion this morning at Kliuchevskoi volcano, Kamchatka. The volcano emits a variable but often intense steam plume with some ash. Sporadic small explosions can be seen as well, suggesting that weak Strombolian activity continues at the summit crater, Volcano Discovery reports. In their latest notice today, Kliuchevskoi reported that ash plume reached a height of 4 kilometers, 13,120 feet, as of 4:02 Universal Time on November 14. An ash plume drifted 120 kilometers, 75 miles north-northeast from the volcano also. The aviation color code is still at yellow right now. And there's Kliuchevskoi on November 13, 2013. This is a terra modis image taken over the volcano on November 13, 2013. Kliuchevskoi violently erupted on October 19 and sent an ash plume up to 9 kilometers into the air. And this is the photographer that took the picture. It was from Germany, captured parts of this eruption in this stunning time-lapse footage. And this is a video of the volcanic eruption. Video courtesy of Newsflare, Martin Reitz, via telegraph.co.uk, and we're going to play it right now. Okay, as we begin the video, there is no audio, just the footage. Alright, let's take a look at it right now. There's pretty intense music in the background also, folks. You might want to revisit the video. And this is a very stunning video of the eruption. Excellent time-lapse footage. Okay, there it is on the left. Right there. That was an excellent video. Alright, and you can use the link and come back to view the whole thing with the audio at any time. I'm going to provide you with the link. And there's more to the article if you'd like to read more. Thanks for watching. Pink out.